As a professor, inventor, and successful entrepreneur, Stephen Forrest has made pioneering breakthroughs in the fields of organic optoelectronics, lighting, optical communications, and solar cells. He heads the Optoelectronic Components and Materials Laboratory at the University of Michigan and is a professor in the Electrical Engineering, Physics, and Materials Science and Engineering departments. Professor Forrest is an esteemed Technion friend and colleague. He is a distinguished visiting professor in the Viterbi Faculty of Electrical Engineering and serves as head of the Academic Committee of the Board of Governors. After earning his MSc and PhD degrees in physics at the University of Michigan, he taught at the University of Southern California and Princeton. In 2006, he returned to the University of Michigan as Vice President of Research. He is the recipient of many prestigious awards and honors and has authored approximately 580 papers and holds 307 patents. He is the co-founder or founding participant in 5 high-tech companies and serves on the board of directors of Applied Materials. He has been named by Thomson Reuters in the top 1% of cited researchers in both physics and materials science.
Right now I'm working on some really exciting stuff. We're working still on the many challenges facing the display industry, the OLED display industry, and the lighting industry. And the other thing that I'm finding very, very exciting, we want to make ubiquitous solar energy available through solar cells made with organic thin film compounds. This is very important for preserving our precious environment. I got involved in working with international universities when I first started as Vice President for Research here at the University of Michigan. And I was talking to our president, Mary Sue Coleman, and she told me I needed to go to Israel to find out how they did it there, how entrepreneurialism, why was it so successful in Israel, and what can we learn from them so we could bring that to Michigan. So I went on a 10-day trip to Israel. I visited all of the major universities. I was very interested in the Technion simply because it's almost the core of Israeli entrepreneurialism in Israel. And it's a huge engine of new technologies. And since that time, with the Technion, there's been a very strong relationship with the University of Michigan. I'm extremely happy to have gotten this award. It's really a profound honor for many reasons. My family history has a connection to the country, and my parents would be extremely proud, I'm sure. But the quality of the institution, how it has changed Israeli life in so many ways, actually all of our lives, because of the entrepreneurialism that's inherent in the community. These things make Technion special among all the universities on the planet. When I was at Princeton, I hired a young faculty, Moti Segev, and he became a very good friend, but then he decided he'd go back to Israel. My long relationship with Technion just makes me feel part of the family.